Welcome to Accent Mastery. Today we're going to learn how to pronounce schedule, 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 schedule. Now clearly this is not the only possible pronunciation of this word, and in fact this is the way that it's normally pronounced in the UK. However, this is a characteristic of British English. In America, you'll hear it pronounced schedule, schedule. Now, please note that the pronunciation schedule, even slightly palatized with a D that sounds a bit like a G, schedule, is also found in the UK, possibly for American influence through the media. However, in the majority of cases, if you are in the UK and more specifically in England, you will hear schedule. Pick the one you like. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe for more, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask.